So in this video, you learn how to archive games on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first step when it comes to archiving a game is to simply navigate to your system settings. Once you're in the settings menu, you're going to scroll until you find data management, and then you want to select it. From here, look for manage software and choose that option. Then you should see all the games that you currently have installed on your Switch. So the first step when it comes to archiving a game is to simply select it. And then from here, you want to come and choose the option delete software. So once you've selected the delete software, you're going to confirm your choice, and then it will be successfully deleted. Bear in mind that even if you go through with this process, your game data, so all the progress that you've made through the game, will still be kept on your console. So if you ever want to go back and resume playing the game, all you need to do is just simply go to your virtual cards section, select the user, and then simply install the game onto your console. So you can see it's here, Apex Legends. So I can just select it, choose load to console, and it will be loaded onto this console. So I can just select that, and now I can continue playing the game after I've successfully unarchived it. And so that's how you can archive games on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.